What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Creamwell Access as we take you behind the scenes with this gorgeous Rolls-Royce Dawn belongs to a very good friend of mine, Tim Burton, who's coming to have some simple work done for the moment. We're going to be wrapping the front end of the car in titanium brushed aluminium. We're going to do the bonnet and the surrounding grille area, and the idea is the car will be coming back in the future to have a full wrap done, lowering and 24-inch wheels, again custom made by one of our designs. But for now, we're going to get on with the bonnet, get those bits and pieces done for him, and make a short video for you guys to enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you on the next one. If you guys are wondering why me and Chris are wrapping the front windscreen surround in two separate sections as opposed to one long length, that's because the brushed aluminium wrap is actually grained, hence why you have to do it in two sections, go vertical, and that allows the grain to flow with the bonnet and everything works perfectly. Right guys, so there you have it, Rolls-Royce Dawn now finally completed with its brand new look, bonnet, front windscreen surround and front grille finished in brushed aluminium titanium effect by 3M. A very simple yet effective way to upgrade your Rolls-Royce. It comes in a range of different colours, this being one of my favourites in titanium. And as you guys are aware, especially Rolls-Royce owners, that this option from factory is extremely expensive, so why not have it at the fraction of the cost by us or anyone else out there that wraps cars, and have this really strikingly effective yet gorgeous finish on your Rolls Royce. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you guys on the next one.